Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today. This is Mac Makers. So I show you a quick tutorial on how to get started pretty quick with Python when you don't have the necessary skills. You never touched Python before, so you just need to go to a browser and type Python shell. It will bring you here. So you go to python.org/shell. You type on it. So you got different way of doing some Python coding. You can download an IDE so it's make things easier for you. You can use a text editor, or you can use the download the interpreter and start it on your own command on the computer. But now we got this online Python interpreter for Python actually. And how do you know which if it's over there? So you have the free chevrons here. So that's usually the Python shell. And here you have the Python 3.8.0. So from here, what are we doing? So we're testing a bunch of things. So let's see if it works first. So something pretty easy you can do. So you can type, let's try some math. Type 4, it does work. So let's do 4 plus 5, still work. 15 minus 5, it still don't work. So that's pretty nice. So those are the things you can do, with some compiler interpreters and things like that. Another thing you can try is try to display something. Let's say print. So you type print. So that's an instruction that is used in Python. But we see that in other videos. I make more videos for you. And you can type double quotes or only one. It's up to you, but it does work. Say, how are you? And you close it with the double quotes. And from there, you type on enter. And it says, how are you? How are you? I'm sorry. So type print one more time. Okay. Double quotes. Say, my name is Mike. That's it. Pretty good. So let's try something else, what we call a variable. So don't be afraid. What is a variable? A variable is a container. Let's say you want to store some things. Let's say you have a bag. Your bag may be a container, and in it you want to put like 5 pencil case. So you're gonna have like bag. Just a way to remember. Bag equal 5. So when you lose it later, you know that the bag equals 5. So you remember that you have 5 pencil case in it. So to print it, you type print. You remember the print we saw before. And this time you don't use the quote. When you use a variable, you don't use the quotes. And you type bag. There we go. So it typed for us 5. So this is how we can get started with the variable. Let's type another variable. Let's say money. Let's type money account, the amount of money you have on your account. So I can type space and type account. But please don't do what I've done. Never leave a space when typing variables. So it may be tricky for the interpreter. After that, you're gonna have some syntax errors, and just type a dash or underscore, but never leave a space. That's a really good thing to remember. So money account, and let's say you have $2,000 on it, then print money account. Here it is. So we got 2,000 here. Something we can do as well is also mixing the print and the variable. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's go and type print, and we open the brackets here, the parentheses. I'm sorry. And let's say I have. Let's do that. So let's put the quotes. I have, etc., of money. So we use the money account. Say I want it to show print for me. I have $2,000, but I want that 2,000. I want that money account. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I have. There you go. And you type plus Oh, let me put a space here. Let's show you what I have and money account. That should be it. So I have, oh, I'm sorry, money account. I mean the strings, the characters, and the variable. Let's type, let's say my name equal Mike on the same here. And let's make a mix of it. So print, let's go this way, double quotes, my name is, double quotes, and now what you do, you have a plus, and you type the name of the variable here, name, and you close the parentheses. So let's see what it does when you type enter. Say my name is Mike. So that was pretty simple. So that's the first thing you can do. For the next tutorial, I'll show you how to add a couple more things, how you can type in things with the keyboard and so on like that. So if you like the video, please like it, like the YouTube channel as well, and share it with your friend, and see you soon. Thank you.